Okay, let's take a look at the new controller. It has 4 channels, basically channel 3 for the underbody lights, channel 4 to on the headlight and tail light, and the tail light only comes on when there's light on channel 4, no brake light when there's no light switch on. Then these are all the basics settings, trimming, dual rates that you find on the old controller. Then this is the new one with the throttle limit 20%, 50 and 100, and there's this reverse for the steering. Then for the on-off switch, there's 3 settings. Basically it's on and off, but the center is reserved for the LED light here. When you charge, okay, you can actually push this, you will just go up, just push and hold it on the car, and the LED will comes on. If you choose not to waste the battery, you can just off it, it will still charge. Okay. And the cool thing about this light, you know, when it's finished charging, the lights will go off. And if you're not happy with the red light, there's 7 colors to choose from: red, green, blue, yellow, purple, blue, white, and you can switch to breathing light, like a fading breathing light. Okay, so you know when they finish charging, the lights will go off completely. Okay, okay, that's all for the controller. And one more thing, to take out the battery, you cannot take out from here anymore. You have to take out using a coin, twist it. Yeah, there you go. Same AAA batteries. And yes, it's compatible with the old battery case from the old controller. Alright. And the new controller, you can sit it firmly, and unlike the old one, you can only place it on the table like this, it will just fall off. Okay, that's a good thing. One thing I don't like is the new steering is very soft, as in the feel of it. I think it's the springs is softer than before. Maybe I do a mod later to my liking. Okay, the throttle is okay. Okay, let's see the car. For the car, yes, yeah, this annoys me. You see, is not giving enough downforce, so you can just push it. Oops, you can just push it to the angle that you want. You just put it on like that. Alright, it's very nice car compared to the Mini we have. It's more a sports car, and it's, yeah, much bigger than before. But the wheelbase is about maybe 1 mm longer at most. The wheels are bigger now. Okay, let me measure the 01. The 01 is about 8 mm, there about 7.98. The new one, I think it's about 9.5. Yeah, 9.5. It actually fits the old one's wheel arch pretty well. I believe when they start releasing the spare parts, we can actually fit to the old cars. It will be very nice, I believe. Yeah. And in comparison, totally new board, new chassis, basically almost all new, but the layout is about the same. Okay, about the same but not the same. Yeah, I'll do a teardown later, in a later video, not in this one. Just briefly take a look. There's 2 for headlight, 2 LED for tail light and brake light. There's 6 LEDs for the underbody lights, which is pretty nice. There you go. Okay, see the brake light in action. Throttle, brake, brake, brake. Yeah. So basically, channel 4 is to on off the headlights, tail light. Is off, on, and the third position is just blinking for like 1 or 2 times. Yeah, 2 times, and that's it. You cannot do anything to it. It's just that. Yeah. And for the underbody lights, it's either on or off on channel 3. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and big difference before we tear down. There's already a big difference here. You see the gears. You can actually push the car, so the car actually will coast, but due to the lightweight, you can't actually feel it that much when driving. Yeah, so yeah, it will supposed to coast when you let go the throttle, and that's a brake function. But when I drive, I don't really use the brake because it's so light. When you actually let go the throttle, it will lose grip due to the lack of weight pushing down the tires. I believe they need to make grippier tires. Yeah, this is about the same. I believe it's more slippery than the previous one. Yeah, that's my feel on it. Yeah, it's more slippery actually. Yeah. Okay. Overall, it's still it's much improved than over the last one. Even the suspension travel is actually more, but the springs are still too stiff for the scale, so I can't really feel much when driving it, be it on EVA foam or plywood or the floor tiles that in my house. Yeah. Yes, drifting. It can't drift. Yeah, I think there's some miscommunication during the preview or release when they try to release some information. Um, Maybe in the future. Uh, I hope. Okay. Yeah, and so in the package, you get to choose your body color, one body color from factory, so and 2 of the unpainted. So in total, you have 3 shells. Yeah, and for the limited edition, they actually apply some decals, so that's limited to 1,000 pieces for that production. Yeah, these are the body parts for your unpainted body, so you can customize it. Okay, that's about all. Oh yeah, one more thing. Yes, you can use any of the controller by Turbo Racing. Yes, I'm so happy that I still can use my P32. It's actually 4 channel. Let me show you. Okay, put this into buy mode. Where's the binding? Okay. Okay, so on the vehicle, make sure it's blinking fast. Uh, Okay, switch on your radio. Okay, oh fine. Okay, that's so easy. Yeah, and yeah, I like this P32 very much. You can store up to 15 memories, car memories. So yeah, I already preset it. Okay, and yes, it has 4 channels. So yeah, let me show you. This is channel 3, so I can on the underbody lights. Look at that. All right, and for the car lights, very simple. Channel 4. I don't know if we can see. Yeah, channel 4. Okay, high position. There's L. That's like one of the position. M and high. That means low, medium, high. Yeah. So look at that. Off, on, blink. Yeah. 3 toggle switch. Yeah, channel 4. Yeah, it's great that I can use it. And this is got the feel that I want. So, and what's good about this, you can actually adjust your trim digitally, so you don't have to play around with the awful analog trims. You can actually set the endpoints both left and right differently compared to the analog ones. And most importantly, with a fast car like this, you will want to do some throttle curve on the throttle especially. Yeah, exponential, like to be, yeah, okay. For this, very simple. In expo steering, right, press and hold, you go to steering. Okay, not sure you can see. Yeah, forward is the uh, throttle I meant. So I have set it to minus 50%. Okay, you will go back to, okay, expo steering, change to forward. Yeah, it's 50% because it's so fast and I drive on plywood. So when I throttle this way, it will be very gradual until somewhere in midpoint. Yeah, so I can actually control the car better. Okay, I mean it's up to individual, so at least this is a lot more programmable than the stock ones. So, and yeah, this is a great choice for me. Okay, I think that's about all. In the next video, I'll try to strip down the car and see what makes it so special, and maybe we can do some mods or improvement if there is a need to.